All right, this is really not an ideal place to highlight my thoughts, but it's a new place that I'm in, so I might as well just try it. So, one thing I've been thinking about lately is the fact that I'm doing a bit too much lately. I'm kind of trying to, or not trying to, but I am overwhelming myself, and I feel like I need to be a bit more mindful and selective about how I spend my time. And I feel like right now, this is actually a really cool logo. I feel like right now, one of my main focuses, or the obvious focus, is finishing the audiobook that I'm creating. And then after I finish that, like the things that I'm already doing, for instance, like with piano and also with like exercise, like those are things I can like continuously do pretty much forever. So I feel like I want to give it real focus and good like effort as well as organization. This area is really cool too. So continuing to do that is definitely going to be baked into my journey. So I feel like those are things I should focus more on with like YouTube, for instance. So just being able to like give that the time it deserves and also like pursue it as more than just a hobby, especially piano, since I would really, really love that to be something that's, this is overstimulating actually. I need to like get out. Okay. I think the music is really, really too loud in there. I know with my microphone, I probably sound like slightly above it, but like that, it's way too loud. It's way too loud. I can't even think, okay? Let's see. So right now, what we have going on, or what we're trying to do, is a lot of things. Number one is create the audiobook. Number two is get really good with piano and also start like a channel around it and build like a whole, I guess, like business around it if I can, because I do have a diploma for teaching piano as well. I self-studied to get that and took a test and everything. So it's like, I feel like I should use it, you know? So that's one thing I'm really, really wanting to try moving towards. And then we also have, like, we've been thinking, well, we made a skit with my sister recently, which was about the movie Sinners, and I still need to edit that. But it's gonna be on the entertainment channel, which is with my friends, but I haven't touched that in a while. So I'm thinking, okay, we can't actually get into it, even though we'd like it, even though we want to try more like skits and voice acting and all that stuff. It's just not on the table right now. It's just way too overwhelming. And then we have playing by ear, which is a whole different thing. I feel like there's so many aspects to piano that if once we start our channel, like we'll actually get the opportunity to really like hone our skills regarding piano as well. So it's like almost killing two birds with one stone, assuming that we don't do as much with other things. So it's like the limitation of, you know, the fact that you don't have unlimited time is starting to really hit me. And I mentioned this in a different video already, like I really need to focus on more like income projects. So yeah, it's so interesting how like past me used to think so differently in terms of like what I wanted to prioritize and focus on. Like I was very focused on YouTube and just wanting to do things for fun, but now I'm very certain that I want to get these income projects in. But a part of me is like questioning if the moves I'm making are right, which I really dislike. And I've been thinking about like the whole YouTube challenge that we did and the shorts, how we want to do short form content as well. And it's just overwhelming. I talked about this like a few days ago when I was like at my desk. But like the more I'm absorbing it, the more I'm like trying to plan for it, the more I'm like, I can't do all of this. I really need to just choose a few. Better yet, just choose like one main thing. And that's gonna be the audiobook for now. So I'm gonna pour everything I have to just finishing the audiobook. So I don't think I'm gonna be recording as much, but these videos, the ones where I just walk and talk, they're still really easy to do. So also the Rubik's Cube challenge and the meditation challenge, and the storytelling challenge, and whatever other challenges I started. I have like not really, well, I'm pretty much done with meditation challenge. I just need to make the main video for it, for my main YouTube channel. So that's good. And then the Rubik's Cube challenge, where I'm trying to solve it under 1 minute. I'm very close. I've solved it under 1 minute 2 or 3 times now. But I want it to be consistent. But I find myself like sometimes spending too much time on it. Like I'm like supposed to be doing something else or eating a meal, and then I just start doing the Rubik's Cube for like 20 to 30 minutes while I could be like finishing the meal and then doing something else. So it's definitely, yeah, it's definitely taking up way more time than I want, and more brain power too, because it isn't easy to solve it that fast. You have to like really, really think or like practice. But it's a lot to record, and I'm really, really trying my best to basically cut out anything that's not gonna help the ultimate goal, which is to make more income. I say that while tomorrow I'm planning on making a video with my friends about learning Morse code. So it's like, man, I'm not good at this. I'm not good at cutting things down and shrinking what I want to do. But at least I'm doing it with friends. Otherwise, we would have hung out anyways and just done like photography or whatever. I mean, I like photography. It's not like I'm trying to diss it, but it's like, it's normal. It's something I've done. Like, we just go to a nice place, do photography, it's fine. But if I'm going to spend time with friends, I might as well also include something that's really fun. So that's why I took the chance and was like, hey guys, you want to learn Morse code? And they're like, yeah, so that's really cool. So I guess whenever I spend time with other people, I will also spend time like learning random new things that are fun, that don't necessarily help with the end goal of increasing the income. Because if I restricted it to that, then yeah, I don't think that would be a good idea. It just seems like a bad idea. So okay, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else really much to say other than I've been overwhelming myself with too many challenges, and I need to cut back and just do less. Just do less and do it better, basically. Okay, I'll catch you guys in the next one.